Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your own tires. Before you begin, ensure you have all the essential tools: a lug wrench, a reliable jack, at least one jack stand for safety, and your fully inflated spare tire. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, stable surface, far from any moving traffic. Remember to engage your parking brake firmly, and if possible, block the wheels that will remain on the ground. Slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire while it's still on the ground, making the next steps much easier. Now that your lug nuts are slightly loose, it's time to lift the vehicle. Carefully position your jack under the designated jack point on your vehicle's frame, typically found near the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, usually about 6 inches. For your safety, always place a jack stand under the vehicle's frame as a secondary support before proceeding. Once secure, you can fully remove the lug nuts and then carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. With the flat tire removed, it's time to install your spare. Carefully lift the spare tire and align its bolt holes with the wheel studs on your vehicle. Push it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten each lug nut onto its stud until it feels snug. Once all lug nuts are in place, slowly lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern, ensuring even pressure. Finally, fully lower your vehicle to the ground and remove the jack and jack stand. With the vehicle's full weight on the spare, give each lug nut a final, firm tightening using your lug wrench, again following the star pattern. It's crucial to check the air pressure of your newly installed spare tire. It should be at the recommended PSI. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center to have your flat tire repaired or replaced. Remember, spare tires are often for temporary use only, typically rated for 50 miles at speeds no greater than 55 miles per hour.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.